I welcome you once again to Menalights TV, and a special greeting to my lovely fans in India. And this morning we are looking at angles that are formed in between lines. So when you have parallel lines that do not meet and angles that are formed in between, we want to look at how to find the value of these angles. So first we are starting with vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are the same. So when we have two lines meeting, so for instance, this is one and this another one. So the angle here is the same as the angle here. So you can say this A is the same as this A. So this and this are vertically opposite. So the angle B here is the same as the angle that we have here. So you can say this B and B, they are the same. So when it's happen like this, we say A and A, they are vertically opposite. And B too, they are also vertically opposite. Which means if this place is 120 degrees, definitely the one at the down of it will also be 120 degrees. So this will also be 120 degrees. And then angles on a straight line, this will be 60 degrees. And the same way, this will also be what? 60 degrees. So another example too is alternate angles. So alternate angles are formed at the corners of the letter Z, or some people say Z. So the angle here is the same as this angle. So we say these two angles are alternating. So alternate angles are also the same. Which means that if this angle is 30 degrees, this side will also be 30 degrees as well. So now we want to look at this diagram and find the angles marked with letters on it. So the first thing we have to do here is find the angles on a straight line. So angles on a straight line will sum up to give you 180. So we can say that the A plus 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, which means that our A is equal to 180 minus 110 degrees. So there our A is equal to 70 degrees. Vertically opposite angles. And we say vertically opposite angles are the same. So from the diagram we have here, we can say that B and 110 are vertically opposite to each other. So from there we can say that B is equal to 110 degrees. Then you give a reason. What is the reason? The reason is that they are what? Vertically opposite angles. So B is also equal to 110 degrees. Now we find the value of A to be equal to 70. Now with this you can say that with this you can say that the A and C, they are also vertically opposite to each other. So with that you can say that C is equal to A, which is equal to 70 degrees. The reason being that they are vertically opposite angles. So that means our C is equal to 70 degrees as well. Now let's get back to alternate angles. And we say alternate angles are formed at the corners of Z, the letter Z. So when you look at this and this, they are alternate. So the angle here, the value of this angle is the same as the value of this angle that we have here. Now let's take this to our diagram. Where can we locate the alternate angle? Or where can we find the letter Z? So with this, we can cut it this way. From here, we have our letter Z as this one, which means the angle C and the angle E, they are alternate angles. So we can say that our E is equal to C, which is equal to 70, because already we know the value of C, which is 70 degrees. So we can say that the E is equal to C, which is equal to 70 degrees. What is the reason? Because they are what? Alternate angles. Alternate angles. So which means our E is equal to 70 degrees as well.